This is how to give an allergy shot to a dog. So here's everything you need for the allergy shot. We have the instruction booklet, which has the scheduled doses. Today we're on day 16, and it's going to be 0.1 mils of the yellow top vial. So out of the 3 vials we have, blue, yellow, and red, we're going out of the yellow vial. We have our syringe here. It's a 1 mil syringe in 0.1 mil increments. So if I pull the plunger back, you can see the 0.1 mil increment right there. So these are preloaded with needles. All you have to do is pull off the cap and there's a needle there already inserted. So what we'll do is we'll plunge the needle into the inner ring of the septum. Invert the bottle, pull back on the plunger. Now you'll get an air bubble. You can pull back much more than you need and then push it back into the vial just to get rid of any bubbles. Give it a flick or two if you need. Looks like I got a bubble here. It may take a couple times to get it to come out, but here we go. So push the plunger back up to 0.1 mil. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. And then pull it out of the vial. Then the vial goes back in the fridge. You can recap the needle and just let it warm up to room temp so the shot's not too uncomfortable for the dog. So now that you have your puppy, you want to make this a happy process, so we're going to treat her a couple times. Good girl. Good girl. Just so she knows something good's coming. Good girl. So now you'll take your vial, your syringe that's filled already, and it's come to room temperature. And before you take the needle off, what you want to do is find where you want to give her the shot. And you want to look right between the shoulder blades, grab a scruff of her fur, or her skin actually, and then you'll find like a little tent. You know, find an indent between your fingers, and that's where you actually want to insert the needle.
Show it on yourself. The tent.
So it's like you pull up like this, and then you'll find a little tent there, and that's where you're going to be putting the needle in. So find where you're going to give the shot. Take the needle off, the cap off the needle. Make your little tent. It's okay, puppy. Just find the edge of the skin. Push the needle in. Push the plunger and pull it out. Now it's a subcutaneous shot, so you're not trying to get underneath the skin. You want to get it in the skin, and you're not looking for a blood vessel. So after that, you put the cap back on your needle. That'll go into the sharps container and treat. Good puppy. Good girl. And then once you're done, you want to record the actual dose you gave her. So we actually added 0.1 mils of the yellow top vial. And then we'll note any reactions. We'll watch her for an hour and then list what her current itchiness is on a 1 to 10 scale. And that's it. That's how to give a dog an allergy shot.